toy. For your safety, please remain seated with your hands and feet inside the vehicle at all times. We're on our way to the Hershey Chocolate Factory. Your guide will meet you at the entrance. See you inside.
Oh yeah?
We're making chocolate the Hershey way, and you can taste the love all over the world. Taste the love, taste the love, taste the love all over the world. It's the milk we make that's at the heart, sweet inspiration from the very start, and you can taste the love all over the world.
At the factory, everybody!
It's like the last possible spot could be. Right up on the sign.
Oh, Pikachu. What?
There's one of the beans in
Okay. I see that one.
Yeah.
Which get extremely hot. Toasty in here. Next, we quickly hold the beans and feed them into our breaking chamber, which cracks open the shells at high speed. Inside each shell are tiny pieces called cocoa nibs.
Hey everyone! Below me are milling machines which grind cocoa nibs into unsweetened chocolate. Cocoa nibs have been ground down like this for thousands of years. Milling machines generate lots of heat through intense pressure and friction. The grinding turns cocoa nibs into the smooth, dark liquid used to make milk and dark chocolate.
Oh yeah.
Our pressing machines squeeze the unsweet chocolate into discs of cocoa, known as Hershey's cocoa. Pressing also produces cocoa butter, which will use later on in the process. Part of my job is to make sure all of our milk is of high quality standards. Once it passes testing, we ensure it has a large batch of milk. We pasteurize the condensed sweet milk and then grind in the perfect amount of unsweet chocolate. This is where the all comes together. After mixing the coat, we
Simplicity of Hershey's authenticity.
Isn't that great?
Go hand in hand in hand, smooth as silk.
until it reaches a smooth, uniform consistency. Here's our friend Chris to explain the next step of the process.
Hi, everybody. These conching machines use big granite rollers to smooth and transform refined ground into milk chocolate. The conching process mixes and heats the chocolate, developing a rich flavor and color. Heavy rollers smooth the refined ground until it reaches the silky liquid texture of milk chocolate.
After conching, we temper the milk chocolate, heating and cooling it to just the right texture and consistency. During tempering, we can mix in other ingredients such as roasted California almonds. Next, we pour the milk chocolate into molds and send them on a funky conveyor belt. Then we send the molds to a cooling tower that solidify the chocolate. All of that fresh, delicious Hershey's chocolate goodness is finally ready to be packaged.
Like Hershey's milk chocolate in special dog bars.
Hey, don't forget about Reese's peanut butter cups. My favorite.
Everyone has a favorite. Mine are Hershey's Kisses chocolate.
Aw, thanks, Alex. That's so sweet.
Looks like our packages are ready to go, and I better get going too. It's been a privilege being your guide today. Remember that wherever you go, you never want to repeat the Christmas. So be sure to share. Thank you, everyone.